I got something really exciting to show you. I've had a bit of a break this week. I was expecting some subscription boxes, but they haven't arrived yet, so I've had a couple of days off. But then this arrived yesterday. Oh my word, it's a brand new palette by BH Cosmetics. Well, it's not brand new. I think it's been out for a good few months, but it's brand new for me. I got this from Beauty Bay and original cost is £22. Beauty Bay have, I'm not sure if they still got it running, but if they have, I will let you know down below. But they had a 30% off discount off nearly everything, which is, oh, it's great. It is great. So I got this for £15.39. So this is a 18 baked eyeshadow palette called Aurora Lights. And it is stunning, absolutely stunning. So that's the outer packaging. How beautiful is that? It's just so pretty, isn't it? Now, I'm new to BH Cosmetics and don't know too much about them, haven't tried any of their makeup before, but from what I've seen online, they do have very similar palettes to these, different shades but similar sort of concept. The baked eyeshadows, the metallics and the shimmers there. There is no matte whatsoever, which is completely fine because I wanted something a bit different. Because we're coming up to Christmas, I like to wear a bit more glitter on my eyes than I normally would, and that just screamed at me. It's got every single colour I love. It's got all the coppers, the greens, it's got, you know, it's got that inner corner highlights and things. It's got purples, it's got pinks, blue. That is stunning. Look at that colour there. Whoa, it is such a pretty colour. Really pretty. So I thought, why not do a video telling you all about this? You might already know because, as I said, it has been out a while, but if you haven't seen it before, then you might find this interesting. Also, I'm wearing this look today from the palette. Hopefully you can see there. Very shimmery. Quite a few colours. I did use my favourite palette. I'm always using this. It's Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So I started off using this palette. It's really messy now. Started off using this palette because I wanted to get some matte base colours going, just to build like a bit of a foundation for the metallics. But yeah, the colours that I'm wearing are here. So it's this gorgeous row here, a bit of that and some of that as well, and I wet the eyeshadow for that. So I'll do a bit of a swatch on my arm and I'll show you what they look like. So the first one is not that one. That one is in fact a burn. So the first one is this one. So going up from here, so the first one is Kaleidoscope, then we've got a gorgeous Prismatic, then we got Gleaming, then we got a golden Sparkling, then we got Polar, then Ombre, and then Shining, and then gorgeous coppery orange is a Luminous. Next to that is Flashing, then Phenomenon, which I use on my eyes, then 24K, which I also used on my eyes, that gorgeous orangey colour, then Glowing, and then coming up to the top, I'm not sure how I'm going to show you this, but we'll have a go. Magical, Pink, then we've got Fluorescent, then we've got Vibrant, then we've got Borealis, then we've got the blue, Magnetic, and then we've got the gorgeous green, which is the Australis. So those are them. Excuse my little bumpy arm there, that's where I had my skin cancer. So I've got a lumpy arm, but there you go. So just popped onto Beauty Bay and this is currently out of stock at the moment. So if it is an eyeshadow palette that you've got your eye on, I'd suggest keep going back to Beauty Bay and just see if it comes available again. And yeah, it's got good reviews, you can see there. Really good. So yeah, what did I get? £15.39. So the information says that it contains a wide variety of rich shades and a mixture of glitter, foil and high impact finishes. Aurora Lights 18 colour baked eyeshadow palette is ideal for creating bold, striking looks. Effortlessly blendable and intensely pigmented, this celestial inspired palette offers limitless possibilities and it's cruelty free. Now it goes on to tell you all about the different colours and what they are. But I'm going to copy and paste that underneath the video so you can have a little bit of a read there. So all links to the makeup I've used today and obviously this palette I will pop down below, plus the list of the actual individual eyeshadows so you can see exactly what they claim to do. So for instance, Kaleidoscope, it says light pink with a glitter finish, or Prismatic, pink with a glitter finish, or Shining, deep pink with a foil finish. So you get the picture. So click on the show more, that will bring up description and everything will be down there if you're interested in taking a look. But yeah, these eyeshadows really shocked me. Baked eyeshadows can be a little bit different to apply than other eyeshadows, and they can take a little while to blend and to build up colour. Now the reason these shocked me is because the colour intensity straight off with a dry brush was immense. It was really brilliant. I absolutely loved it. The only colour I used to that I applied some of this Fix Plus Set and Spray to was the greeny colour in the middle, and then I added a bit of gold on top as well. That's the only one. Everything else I applied with a dry brush, and it had a matte base. So you'll see as I show you the video, I go through with a matte base first. So, you know, it's not a clean, it's not a cream, it's not a skin coloured base to apply the shades on, and they still came out really pigmented, and they are wonderful. Easy to blend as well, really easy to blend. I can't wait now to start using this palette to create lots more different looks. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you like the look I've created, and if you'd like to see me do any more looks with this palette, please let me know, because yeah, I'm well up for that. So, but if you don't want to watch it, then that's fine. So on to the video of me applying it. So to start, I'm using the shade Weekend, which is down the bottom here, from the Urban Decay palette. I'm now using a Morphe M504. Apply this very lightly over my lids, just to give me a bit of a deeper base colour. Very softly, circular motions, covering my lids, slightly going out, as you can see there. So using a matte called Riff down here on the Urban Decay palette, and using a Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. I'm just going to concentrate in the crease area of my eyes and just circular motions very lightly. I love this brush because if you've seen any of my other videos before, it's one of my favourite brushes ever. It's got like a slight pointed nib there. I'm not sure if the camera will be able to pick that up without me being in focus, but there you go. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got a bit of a pointed nib. It just means that I can really get into my crease and blend out for better control, really, and I can build the colour out gradually. So still on the Urban Decay palette, I want to concentrate more on the mattes first as a background before I add all the metallics and shimmers. I'm going to go in for darker shade, and I'm going to use Accelerate, which is over here, is it? Yeah, which is over there. Using a Zoeva 225 brush. So it's more of a rounded brush. So just darkening up the outer corners there. Round circular motions. I'm going to darken that up a bit more. Using a Beauty Big Bang, it's got no name, but it's a rounded little brush like this. I'm going to go for Good as Gone, and this is the last shade I'm going to be using for the top of my lids in this look. And this is just there. Just really gently, because obviously it looks like a blob at the moment, but I just want a little bit more darkness in that corner. And now I'm going to blend it. So I've got a 227, it's a Zoeva 227, very lightly start blending the different layers gently, because I still want to have the different shades coming through. I don't want it to be all just one big smudge. I do want to show the colours, especially here, because I'm going to be covering a lot of this bottom lid. But yeah, just to brush out those little creases you sometimes get. Which I'm getting more of the older I'm getting. There, so it's a little bit softer than this one. So let's add some colour. So I'm going to go in with this gorgeous colour here, which is called Phenomenon. This is a Sigma blending brush E25. Putting that all across my lid like this, and then I'm going to be getting rid of it in a minute, which you'll see. That is stunning. I wasn't expecting it to be as pigmented as this straight away. Oh, that's gorgeous. Really pretty. There's some fallout, but that's fine. So using a Morphe M322 brush, I'm going to go for Glowing, which is this green here. And I'm just going to put that just the top there. Bring it down a bit. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And then using a Zoeva 230 brush, it's a little pencil brush. I'm going to go in with 24K, which is this gold here. And I'm going to apply on top of the green. Just a tiny bit here. Just in the middle. And bring it over slightly. Don't normally wear shimmers and metallics this high, but this is a bit of a different look. So stuff it. And now for a cut crease. Maybelline Eraser Eye. Just putting it on my hand like here. 234 Zoeva. I'm just going to do a very, very faint cut crease on each eye. Now on to Australis. Using MAC Fix Plus. I've got the gold one here. Ooh, wee, wee, wee. They work so well wet on your lids. Really, really lovely. Tapping it onto my lids. Going back to the gold, the 24K. I'm going to put that in the middle as well. And then blend that out. I don't want it to be like a spotlight eye, I just want it to have a little bit of a flicker of different colour. So I'm almost getting rid of it, but you can just see that there's just little flecks there. And then going back to one of the brushes we use in the transition stage, just connect where that glitter is there to the outer corner. Just so it's not as harsh. So that's the top of my lids. I think they're lovely. I think it's really pretty. There's some different colours there. I wanted to use a few. I have used 1, 2, 3, I have used 4. So on to the last colour before I do the bottom, which is sparkling down here. Using a Zoeva 237 inner corner highlight. Ooh. I'll leave that for now and I'm going to do the underneath. I'm not applying any more eyeshadow to these brushes. To add a bit of colour, I'm going to use this colour here, Luminous I think it's called, just underneath. And then going back to the sparkling, bring that down. So there's the eye look completed. It looks quite smoky, lots of different colours. I wanted to try something a bit different. It's not fully completed. I'm going to put some eyelashes on and I'm going to line my rims with a brown eyeliner. But I do like the metallics and the shimmers, really pretty, really, really pretty. So yeah, let's put some mascara on. So that's my finished look. It's a smoky, shimmery, metallic, sort of green, coppers, gold sort of look. I absolutely love it. It's definitely a sort of look I'd wear if I was going out for the night. Not necessarily a daytime look unless I don't know, unless I worked in beauty, then oh my word, I'd love to go to work looking like this and other wacky eye makeups. But yeah, no, I think it's really pretty, really, really, really pretty, and it blended well. And these colours at the top there, you know, they just applied onto my skin on top of the matte, no problem whatsoever, and you can see. So yeah, so I wanted to create a look that had lots of different flecks, lots of different colours in, but had like a smoky sort of background to it, because I think full-on glitter is a little bit harsh. But then there's no rules of makeup, is there? So that's my finished look. I've got some lipstick on, I've done my lashes as you saw, and I just added a bit more jewellery, so I feel more like myself now. But this palette, oh my word, it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I absolutely love it. Those colours are absolutely stunning. God, even for £22, which is £7 more than what I paid for this, I would definitely buy it. I would definitely buy it. I'd love to know if you own any other BH Cosmetics, or if you own this as well. I'd love to know your thoughts, because is it a brand I should start looking into more? Are there other palettes really good? It seems that reviews on Beauty Bay for certain BH Cosmetics items are a bit hit and miss, but this is definitely a hit. I absolutely love it. But yeah, let me know if you've got any of their palettes. Let me know what they're like. Let me know if you've got this one, if you like it or not. Or if there's a palette that you think I would like as well. Please let me know down below, because I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. This week was a bit of a quiet week. Next week, I've got quite a few unboxings to do. So yeah, if you want to watch them, brilliant. But if not, then that's fine as well, because I don't want to bore you with my face every single day. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.